Hey guys, wanted to recap today's action. This market's still bullish. It could change at any point. Realize that, but one day doesn't make a trend. And today we had an inside day. Although you could see that we came off on volume. So we're always watching volume, right? We came off on an expansion of volume that would be bearish. Except when you look in the 2 hour, always teaching about volume. That's one of the reasons why I want to pop in here, right? You see this 2 hour right here. Look at this. This is fascinating how this works, right? Excuse my drawing. It's not great. But you see, we came down here on, there we go. We came down here and tested this volume right here, 52 million, right? We came down here and rejected, not enough volume to go lower. Came down here today and rejected, not enough volume to go lower, right? And then we bounced. This right now is serving as support on the S&P 500. You look at the Qs, well, it's lower than that now, right? The Qs could go down further because our support is really over here. It doesn't have to go down, of course, but it could go a little lower. Now, what's interesting about this, we've been talking about this for a while, if you don't watch these videos, that when we hit our projected price move of 600, it usually does something else. Guess what it did today? Something else. We were overextended. We went to 602, and now it's pulling back, so that we wouldn't be surprised to see this set up another ABC structure higher. So that's all that happened today. I mean, you look at Apple hanging in there, right? You notice that most of these are on lighter volume, which is why I'm pointing to this volume bar down here. Nvidia. Same thing, pulling back, but lighter volume. So not really anything going on that it's exciting. Meta, yeah, it's down, but not lighter volume. This is inconsequential volume. You start seeing big moves in terms of volume candles, then that's something to look at. Oracle, lighter volume inside day. So not much happening today, but I wanted to point out those volume thresholds for you, just so you can kind of see them if you're not used to looking at them. It really gives you great insight just in terms of where the market's likely to go, and it helps you not to be excited about one day, because like I said, one day doesn't make a trend. Check the Qs one more time. Did that come off an expansion of volume? Yeah, it did. So theoretically, this could still go lower. But again, always zoom out, right? So you always go with the weekly, zoom out. This is nothing, right? We could come down a little bit, but this is nothing if it were to become something. And right now, since it's one day, it's not anything. Hope that helps. Have a good night. Trade them well.